Hi friends, myself SOHAM Ramnani.
And myself, Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover a talent in you. I'm Roma Ramnani and I'm going to teach you a easy landscape. For that I have taken a paper that is yellow ochre and I have taken white. I will use a rounder. Take a flat brush. Apply water on it. First you have to take lemon yellow and keep on adding water. You have to see that color should be very light, and then you have to take a darker yellow and then again add water. Then take orange. Let it dry to keep it aside, and with the help of pencil we will draw a tree over here. With the help of the brush we'll take black and to make some grassy effect. You have to give the effect of grass. Once the circle has dried, cut the circle and then we have to paint this tree. So first we'll stick it. So give it 10 to 15 seconds to dry. Once it is dried, you have to take black color. You have to paint the tree. So we have diluted the color and start. You can even make some birds at the corner flying far away. You can show some flowery effect because it's a shadow effect, so you have to make it with black. आपको black से ही दिखाना है each and everything. So we have come to an end. We have finished the painting. Please like, comment and share, and if you have some queries you can just ask us. We'll answer आंसर इट एज क्विकली एज। आपको जो भी सवाल पूछने हैं हम जल्दी से जल्दी आंसर करने की कोशिश करेंगे। अगर इसमें कुछ भी आपको डिफ़िकल्ट लगता है कि ये कैसे हुआ है तो आप अपने सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, वी विल रेडीली आंसर इट। So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share, and please press the bell icon